We're exploring the 8 best pistol gun cleaning kits available today, perfect for ensuring your firearm remains in top condition. Proper maintenance not only enhances performance, but also prolongs the life of your pistol, making it a crucial practice for every gun owner. From compact kits designed for on-the-go cleaning to comprehensive sets with every tool you could need, we've got something for everyone. Stick around as we break down the unique features of each kit, and don't miss out on our exciting twist at the end, where we reveal our top pick based on a random number selection. You won't want to miss which kit comes out on top, so stay tuned. Let's get started. On number 8, Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. Looking for a reliable gun cleaning kit? The GuardTech Universal Gun Cleaning Kit is a standout choice that combines quality and value. With a comprehensive collection of 60 pieces and 130 components, this kit has everything you need, from jags and slotted tips to utility brushes and even a bore rope cleaner. It's perfect for maintaining both pistols and rifles, effectively tackling both textures and feel, from lightweight to premium glass. The materials are top-notch, featuring durable brass and sturdy nylon, ensuring this kit can handle regular use. While it doesn't come with oil or lube, it does include a handy needle oiler bottle for your own customization. However, be mindful that some essential items, like brass brushes for 9M, must be purchased separately. One thing to note is the handle design. It can be a bit tricky. Items tend to fall out if you carry it sideways, and the bore snake? It's essentially just a rope with brass ends, which might not meet everyone's expectations. Despite a few drawbacks, the GuardTech kit remains a fantastic value. It's beginner-friendly and provides an organized case to keep your tools in order. If you're looking for an effective, budget-friendly option to keep your firearms in tip-top shape, this kit deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Check it out and elevate your gun maintenance routine today. On number 7, GLORYFIRE Gun Cleaning Kit. Looking for an all-round cleaning kit? The GLORYFIRE Universal Cleaning Kit stands out with its sturdy, hard clamshell case, making organization a breeze. This kit comes packed with 159 pieces, including 14 bronze wire brushes, ensuring you have what you need for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. What really sets this kit apart is its affordable price and quality. The solid brass cleaning rods are durable, and the labeled components make it easy to find exactly what you need quickly. As a bonus, it's compact enough to keep in your truck as a reliable backup. However, it's not without its shortcomings. Unlike the GuardTech kit, which I prefer for its completeness, the GLORYFIRE lacks some essential components, such as bore snakes and gun oil. While it does include 2 needle droppers for your preferred oil, you'll need to bring your own lube. Overall, the GLORYFIRE Universal Cleaning Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile cleaning solution, particularly for multiple calibers. Just keep in mind that you might want to supplement it with a few extra tools. If you're interested in exploring this kit further, check out my full review linked below. On number 6, Allen Company Ultimate Universal Cleaning Kit. This professional-grade gun cleaning kit is a game-changer for any firearm enthusiast. Housed in a durable toolbox, it's designed for portability and convenience, making it perfect for on-the-go maintenance. Let's dive into the features. The shotgun cleaning components include bronze bore brushes and cotton swabs with a standard 5/16 27 thread for 12, 20, and double top covers, and a bore system. The kit also features a robust 3-piece brass cleaning rod system in both 4M and 6M diameters, complete with muzzle guards. Whether you're cleaning a shotgun or a rifle, this kit has you covered. Speaking of rifles, it caters to a wide range of calibers, everything from .17 to .54, including popular options like .30, .40, and .45. The included brass jags ensure that your cleaning process is efficient and thorough. Plus, the standard 832 thread cotton swabs make it easy to tackle those hard-to-reach areas. Well, what really stands out is Allen Company's dedication to quality. They're passionate about outdoor gear, and it shows in this kit. Picture this: after a long day at the range, knowing you have everything in one toolbox makes cleaning a breeze. In short, this gun cleaning kit blends quality with practicality, keeping your firearms in top shape without hassle. If you're serious about maintaining your equipment, this is the kit to consider. On number 5, Real Avid Gun Boss Handgun Cleaning Kit. Looking for a compact and affordable handgun cleaning kit? The Real Avid Gun Boss Handgun Cleaning Kit might just be the answer. This kit scores an impressive A overall thanks to its functionality, quality, and value, making it a top pick for handgun owners. The kit includes 14 essential pieces, such as rods, brass brushes, and jags, designed to clean barrels ranging from 22 to 45 calibers. What makes it stand out is its portability. It's lightweight and fits perfectly in your range bag. The zippered ballistic nylon case is rugged and weather-resistant, ensuring your cleaning tools stay organized and protected on the go. While it's not loaded with top-of-the-line components, this kit gets the job done for a quick clean. However, keep in mind that it doesn't come with gun oil or solvents, so you'll need to make space for those if you want a complete setup. For beginners or seasoned shooters looking for a reliable travel cleaning kit, this is a solid choice. It's affordable, practical, and perfect for those who only need to maintain 1 or 2 handguns. If you're still on the fence, check out our full review for more insights. This kit could be just what you need for hassle-free cleaning on the go. On number 4, GuardTech Plus AR-15 Cleaning Kit. The GuardTech AR-15 Cleaning Kit packs a punch for firearm enthusiasts, offering an impressive combination of features. First up, the compact size makes it perfect for both home and range use, easily fitting into your gear. It comes with a high-quality brass cleaning rod that not only rotates smoothly as you push it through the barrel, but also prevents any loosening of patches or jags, an essential feature for efficient cleaning. You also get a bore snake and patches, ensuring you have the right tools to maintain your AR-15. The kit includes a variety of brushes for thorough barrel and chamber cleaning, making it a one-stop solution for your maintenance needs. Just grab your favorite cleaner and lube, and you're all set to go. However, it's worth noting that there's no dedicated space for storing cleaner or oil within the kit, which could be a drawback for some users. At $39, it offers solid value, especially given the quality of the brass rod. Imagine heading out for a range day, knowing you've got everything you need to keep your firearm in top shape. The convenience and reliability of this cleaning kit make it a must-have for anyone serious about their AR-15 care. Don't overlook this little powerhouse. It might just be the upgrade your cleaning routine needs. On number 3, Otis Elite Universal. Looking to keep your .22 to 45 caliber pistols in top condition? This cleaning kit delivers comprehensive coverage, ensuring thorough maintenance across various firearm types. Its breech-to-muzzle gear, along with nylon and bronze brushes and cotton bore mops, makes for an efficient cleaning experience that tackles grime and residue effortlessly. One standout feature is the portability of this kit. It's perfect for those who frequently travel or hit the shooting range, allowing for on-the-go cleaning whenever you need it. Plus, with 4 ripcords included, cleaning different caliber pistols has never been quicker or easier. Just a few swipes and you're good to go. But that's not all. This kit comes equipped with specialized tools, including an 8-in-1 pistol tool and a Glock magazine disassembly tool, catering to both novice and seasoned gun owners. These accessories make advanced cleaning tasks a breeze, ensuring every nook and cranny of your firearm gets the attention it deserves. To top it off, the kit includes an 11 and 17 gun cleaning mat. This protective measure safeguards your firearms during maintenance sessions, preventing scratches or damage. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious shooter, this pistol cleaning kit is a smart investment for maintaining your firearms in pristine condition. Don't just clean, elevate your maintenance game. On number 2, BOOSTEADY Universal. This zippered compact padded case is a game-changer for firearm enthusiasts, designed to keep everything neatly organized in a compact 6x5x 3.6 package. Inside, you'll find a complete 16-piece handgun maintenance system, all tucked away in a high-performance zippered pouch. The The kit includes an impressive range of supplies for various calibers, from .22 to .45, featuring phosphor bronze bore brushes and brass jags. It also offers both large and small bronze slotted tips, plus 100 gun cleaning patches. A nylon brush and a metal cleaning pick are included, making it a comprehensive range of calibers. The kit doesn't come with any solvent or oil. One standout feature is the 10.5 brass cleaning rod. This two-piece rod is sturdy and threads together seamlessly, making it easy to use. Additionally, the stainless steel cleaning pick effectively tackles those stubborn areas on your firearm. With a lifetime guarantee and a money-back promise, this kit is built to last. The durable bronze-brass components ensure that this cleaning kit is not just an investment, but a long-term companion for your firearm maintenance. So if you're looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning kit, this option offers great value without breaking the bank. On number 1, Hoppe's NOAH 9 Cleaning Kit. Looking for an efficient cleaning solution for your pistols? The Hoppe's NOAH 9 Cleaning Kit has you covered. This kit comes in a sturdy plastic storage box, perfect for keeping all your cleaning supplies organized and accessible. Inside, you'll find a lightweight aluminum rod, making it easy to maneuver during cleaning sessions. But that's not all. This kit includes a 2-ounce bottle of cleaning solvent and a 2.25-ounce bottle of lubricating oil, ensuring your firearms stay in top-notch condition. The inclusion of a brush specifically designed for .38, .357, and 9EM pistols is a fantastic touch, allowing for thorough cleaning tailored to your firearm's needs. Imagine having everything you need in one compact package. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting, this kit streamlines your cleaning process. Plus, the solid packaging means your supplies are protected and ready to go whenever you are. One user shared that after trying out the Hoppe's kit, cleaning became less of a chore and more of a rewarding experience, giving them peace of mind knowing their pistols were well taken care of. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, easy-to-use cleaning kit, the Hoppe's NOAH 9 is definitely worth considering. It combines quality and convenience, making firearm maintenance simpler and more effective. So guys, this was the video about the 8 best pistol gun cleaning kit. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.